Okay, so this is number 3 in our Absolute Beginner series for trumpet. So we understand how to use our valves, but we haven't even got a sound out of the instrument yet, okay? So what we have to do is learn how to use our lips. Our 2 ways we control our sound is with our lips and with our valves, okay? So anybody can control these valves, but the lips, that takes time, it takes practice, okay? So what we're gonna do is buzz our lips like that, and you can try it just with your mouthpiece alone. You can get different sounds, lower sounds, higher sounds. And if you can practice just doing sirens like that. That's a good way to get better at buzzing, okay? So once we put this in our horn and we buzz like that, we should be able to get a sound out of the horn. Now I just played 2 different notes and I used my lips to change that. Whenever I do a more relaxed embouchure, then I get a lower note. Now if I do a more firm embouchure, I get a higher note. And you can keep going and going from lower to higher. With no valves at all, okay? So our first thing we want to practice is just getting 2 sounds out of the horn. Seeing if we can get our lower one and our higher one. Low, high, low. And once you can get one of those out, it'd be good to go back and practice going through your valve positions. Or you'll find your highest notes and your lowest notes are the hardest ones to play. So if you do the lower note, the valve positions towards the lowest will be the hardest. And then if you do your higher note, those might be harder to get the higher notes to come out, okay? Rather than the ones down here. So if you're having trouble with one or the other, try starting from the opposite and working your way up. So for the higher ones, start lower. And for the lower ones, start higher and go lower. Now once you get those going, another thing you can practice is doing what we did a second ago, playing 2 notes, and doing that in each position. And the more you can control that and get a clear sound, the easier it'll be to do everything we're going to do next. But it's starting to build those muscles in your lips, at least getting 2 sounds out. If it's hard enough just to get 1 out, that's okay. Just keep on practicing, it'll get easier. Eventually we want to play more and more until we can play maybe 5 or 7 different notes just changing with our lips, okay? So from there, let's move on.